Welcome to our journey of expanding your vocabulary. In this video, we will explore effective methods to learn and memorize new words effortlessly. Let's get started. How to learn new words and memorize it. Learning new words is a breeze with the right method. Just notice, memorize, practice. These 3 steps make picking up new words super easy and part of your routine. Remember, notice, memorize, practice. Step 1. Notice. Ever wish you had a radar for new words? Well, good news. It's called your eyeballs. Let's learn how to put them to good use. The first step in learning new words is to notice them in your daily life. You can do this through various channels. Reading is a powerful tool to enhance your vocabulary. Dive into books related to your interests, and you'll encounter new words and phrases. Make it a habit to notice and jot down unfamiliar words for later learning. Next, sources. Immerse yourself in movies and TV series to learn language nuances in context. As you enjoy the storyline, keep an eye out for new words. Interesting fact, our minds naturally gravitate towards novel things we hear or see. Last but interesting way to notice is listening to music. Listen to music. Songs means your secret weapon for remembering words. Songs offer a unique way to absorb new words. Sing along, look up the lyrics, and voila, you've got a new vocabulary. Step 2. Memorize. Now, let's tackle the real brain workout, memorization. Memorizing new words is the next challenge. Let's explore effective techniques to make these words stick in your memory. Technique number 1. Mnemonics. A mnemonic is a memory aid or technique used to enhance the recall of information. It is a tool that helps individuals remember complex or unfamiliar information by associating it with simpler, more easily remembered information. Example, let's say you want to remember the order of the planets in our solar system. The sentence, "My very educated mother just served us noodles," can be used as a mnemonic. Each word in the sentence corresponds to the first letter of each planet.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Technique number 2. Flashcards. Utilize flashcards as visual aids. Write the word on one side and its meaning on the other. The act of flipping the cards and recalling the meanings helps strengthen memory and retention. Here's an example of English flashcards focusing on vocabulary building. Word on side 1, ubiquitous, meaning on side 2, present, appearing, or found everywhere. Word on side 1, eloquent, meaning on side 2, fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Technique number 3. Learning in context. Words are best remembered in context. Whether through movies or real-life situations, associating words with a specific context facilitates easier memorization and recall. For example, word giggle, isolated. Giggle means a light, silly laugh in context. During the boring lecture, I couldn't help but giggle when my friend passed me a funny note. Now, let's dive into the third and crucial step, practice. This step is where your language skills come to life, reaching new heights. First tool, language journaling, your daily language workout. Continue your language journaling habit. Now the question is what to write. Well, you can write about your day, your thoughts, or anything you like in the language. This consistent writing practice not only reinforces vocabulary but also improves your overall language proficiency. Keep the fun alive with word games and challenges. Whether it's digital games, crossword puzzles, or language apps, incorporating these into your routine keeps your mind engaged and sharpens your language skills in an enjoyable way. Last tool, conversations, your language's ultimate test. In the world of language learning, Conversations are the heartbeat of language practice. Find language exchange partners or native speakers online to engage in spoken or written conversations. The more you interact, the more confident and fluent you become. Today, we explored a simple 3-step method to elevate your vocabulary. Notice, memorize, and practice. Actively observe new words in your daily life. Utilize effective memorization techniques and put your knowledge into action through consistent practice. Apply these techniques daily, making language learning a seamless part of your routine. Stay tuned for more insightful content on language mastery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for regular updates and more language learning tips.